Are you someone who's looking for space? Today we are at a 1615 square foot, super huge EA with 4 bedrooms. Chinchillas. You got 8 chinchilla over here. You can have your, let's say, aquarium. You can keep snakes.
Yes, we are very excited to show you this executive apartment, and we are also within minutes walk to the future Elias Mrt. Staying in this block, you'll get to enjoy a wide array of amenities. We are within 1 km to Pasir Ris West Plaza, Elias Mall, White Sands, where you can find Pasir Ris MRT and the Pasir Ris Central Hawker Centre. With schools being Parkview Primary, Meridian Primary and Elias Park Primary. You can use this as
Today we're heading to 650 Pasir Ris Drive 10. Hi everyone, I'm Oscar.
I'm Celeste.
Let's go!
Welcome to this executive apartment. It's 1615 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So right at the entrance, okay, come nearer. Okay, so right at the entrance, we actually have display cabinets over here. So you can use this as your shoe cabinetry and to display your other stuff as well. Just check out the living area here. It's super huge, super extensive. We can put a L-shaped sofa, 8 to 10 seater with no problem. And before we go to the TV feature wall, you can see there are gym equipment here. Shows how huge the space is. And there's also a lighting piece from Swarovski. So my owners actually spent over $200,000 in renovation. And you can still choose to keep this renovation and just move in because it's really in a very good condition. So the TV feature wall, this wall right, has actually been erected by the owners because of feng shui reason. So they will not see through to the entire house. So the living area and the dining area are all segregated respectively. So the balcony has turned into an indoor space where my owners has used it as an aquarium and also a sitting area. So this actually expands your living area and make it even bigger.
Okay, so behind this feature wall, what we see here is the dining area, easily able to fit up to 8 people in total. This place is nicely segregated, the living and dining over here, because the place is simply so massive. Right here, we can see that there's even enough space to put 2 areas for your study area and also another place for your office area. If you notice, this place actually has inbuilt cabinetry, so it helps you to declutter your space, right? If you look up, there's actually cove lighting surrounding this entire dining area. Okay, so onto the grand master bedroom. We see a king size bed over here, and there's also a bed frame that gives you a very elegant, very cozy design. If you look above, there's even cove lighting, and there's also a TV feature wall that fits the theme of the house. Okay, there's cabinetry that is flush to the back, so it helps you to declutter your space as well. Welcome to the first common bedroom, where you can have a queen size bed here that fits so perfectly in your room, and also a study area that shows how spacious the room is. Welcome to the second common room. You can see how spacious this place is, big enough to fit a queen size bed. In fact, it is almost as big as the master bedroom. Alright, so you can think of it as you having 3 master bedrooms. Over here you can see there's inbuilt cabinetry to help you declutter your space, and there's even sufficient space to build a study area over here. At the back, you can have an area for your pets, such as what the owner did to keep 8 chinchillas.
Flush at the corner of house, we have your kitchen. So this is the front part of the kitchen where you can do your wet cooking. So we have a 3-burner stove, your hot and hook, top and bottom cabinets all done up here. So this is an L-shaped kitchen and it's really very huge. As you can see, we have a walkway. When my owners use this part of the kitchen as a dry kitchen where they have the microwave, oven and also your laundry yard area. All the bathrooms and even the kitchen basins and the washing area, right, we actually have hot water, so they are all connected to the heater and it has been specially done up by the owners.
If you're looking to make this massive executive apartment your new home, you may contact us for an exclusive viewing. Once again, my name is Oscar.
My name is Celeste and we hope to see you soon. Bye!
Bye!